Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm finally sharing with you guys my updated emergency kit. This was quite a requested video, so here it is finally. Now this emergency kit is based off my requirements. It's just a reference for you all. It can vary and depend upon what your requirements are in your lifestyle. So of course you can add on or replace a few things, but this is just something that I would carry on. Now talking about the bag, this one is from Mini. So it's a very pretty shimmery baby pink color bag that you can find on Amazon as well. Now I get tons of questions on the emergency kit bags that I get. So most of them are either from Miniso or from Sugar Cosmetics. In fact, there's going to be another mini bag inside it, which is from Sugar Cosmetics. So yeah, you can find these bags there. They always have this free offer. There's a code, I'll list it below, so you all can use that, get 50% off as well. Now these are the two items that I usually keep outside of my emergency kit. First we have is a self-defense thing, which is pepper spray. Touch wood, it's almost been 2 years. I never had to use it, but it's very important that you keep it. Now this you can find easily on Amazon. I wish they had even smaller version, but yeah, this is with the lock facility. Second thing is a hand cream or a body cream. This one is from Bath and Body Works. It's in the variant 1000 Wishes. Now I sometimes keep it in the kit or sometimes keep it outside depending on the requirement or the kind of bag that I'm taking. This is one of my recent purchases. It's their travel variant. So now coming to the main emergency kit. Now of course there'll be a lot of mini products. I'll link them below. But if you want really like mini good size travel size products, you should check them out from Smytten because they have like all these mini trial versions. So I'll link that below as well. Anyway, so let's start. First I have is a scrunchie, very basic. You can either use a hair claw clip or like rubber bands, whatever is for you. I really like these satin scrunchies, so I have this one over here. I honestly have no idea where do they get lost. Next is a glue stick. This is something that is quite important, especially for me, because sometimes you have to stick photos or anything and you literally have no glue stick and you end up buying a new one. So I bought this very pretty one just to keep in my emergency kit for, utility purpose. Next I have is a sunscreen touch-up powder. This one is from Caffeine and it's their sunscreen powder in translucent. Now I believe Dermaco also came out with their one, so I'll be definitely getting that as well because of course I would choose Dermaco over Caffeine. But if you're someone who doesn't want a powder, you can definitely go ahead with a mini sunscreen tube. But it's important to keep a sunscreen for touch-ups and reapplication in case even if you have forgotten to apply sunscreen, this will always be there in your emergency kit. So that's why it's quite a useful product. Now the next thing that I have is a hand sanitizer. This one is Be Kind, Be Happy, Be You. I think this one is from Bath and Body Works. It's like an okay smelling one, but the main purpose is of course sanitizing your hands. I honestly feel the Bath and Body Works sanitizers doesn't really dry out your hand. That's the reason I like them. Plus I always buy them during discounts. The next thing that I have is a small pen. This is a pen with a stylus, so that's great. I can use it for touch screen and all of that. This is a black pen that I got from a local stationery store. I believe it was for like 80 rupees, but still I'll try to link it below. I mean, it's compact and quite durable, so that's the reason I'm keeping it. Now after this, the next thing that I have is like this huge bag. Now this is your period essentials. Over here, first of all, this bag is basically a disposing bag for your sanitary napkins. Please dispose it properly, not on a paper or just as it is. Now inside this I've got a tampon, I've got a panty liner and a pad, and I'm keeping all of these three because you never know which one you need or which one somebody else might need. Along with this, a quick tip, you can also keep an extra pair of underwear or panty, whatever you want to call it, it's up to you. But these disposable bags are a must. They hardly cost you some amount. Please invest in them. I use the Sirona ones, completely worth it. Properly disposing your pads is important. Next I have is a razor. This one is something that I got from Amazon. It's a very pretty small sized facial razor, but you can of course use it for other things as well. It's just a good multi-purpose razor and you should always have it. You never know when you need it, just for some extra touch-up. So you've forgotten it, but you have it in your emergency kit while you're traveling. So that's there. I'll link this razor below because I really like how sleek it is. Next is the perfume, and this one is from Kayali. It's the Eden apple juice perfume. Now trust me, if you want mini perfumes, this one is a bit expensive. Still, I'll link it below in case you're okay to purchase it. This smells amazing, like sweet heaven. But you can either use the plum ones, or again, like I said, Smytten, they have like a lot of luxury perfume for trial points, so you can get that as well. Next is this tissue paper packet. This is something that I got from Miniso for like pack of 20 something, and this is one of the inserts. It has, I think, 10 tissue papers, and you can see I have used it quite a lot. Honestly, this is quite a useful thing because you never know when you need a tissue paper, and this is like an individually packed one, so that's great. The next thing that I have is a hair serum. So I've basically transferred my favorite hair serum from Matrix in this tiny bottle. I think this was again a trial perfume bottle. So if I need to tame down my frizz, or if I want to just add some shine on my hair, I'll use this hair serum. It's a great way to store any of your other necessary items. Next I have is this small utility kit, again stolen from hotel. It basically has your little sewing essentials as well as safety pins and buttons. You never know when you need it. Similarly, from like the same way, I have got this another utility purpose kit which has got band-aid, q-tips and a nail filer. Again, something that I've stolen from hotel, but so handy, so useful. These band-aids, I can't even tell you how many times I've got the need of using them. Next I have is actually a stain remover. Now Tide one is very famous, I know, but it's slightly expensive. I didn't want it to spend that much, so I got this alternative one called Rabbito, whatever it is. Now I did try it out. It removes any instant stains. It won't remove any prolonged stains. So if you have a stain that has just happened, of course I'll help you remove it, but not very old stains. So just keep a track on that. Otherwise it's pretty good. It was for 350 rupees, so worth the price. Now the next thing that I have is a little funny. So this is actually a match box. Now you can keep a lighter as well, but this is a matchstick box which I actually stole from German bakery. So this is again for emergency purposes. You never know when you need it. And yeah, German bakery basically has these small little match boxes. So I'd gone there and I stole one. The next thing that I have is a P-Safe cramp relief roll-on. You can see how much I've used it. I literally have a little bit of left. This is so useful during your period. Sometimes I also use it for headaches. This cramp roll-on is a must. This is something that works really well, so that's the reason I really like it. Trust me, if you're looking for a really affordable P-Safe cramp roll-on, is the one to go for. It really works. Now similarly, this is another thing that I've realized in my journey. This is a pain relief or cramp relief spray. This is so important. This is a mini one from Cipla, very affordable. I'll link it below. You have to keep it because you never know when you get a sudden cramp or a stretch and you need it. So yeah, super duper important if you are someone who's always out about. Next I have is this very pretty holographic mini pouch from Sugar. Like I mentioned, you can buy all these pouches from their website. And I have this mini little makeup kit. Basically has like mini mascara, lipstick and blush. So let me know if you want to see like a mini makeup kit video. I would love to do that for you all. But yeah, it's just in my emergency kit, and I've got like two variety of lipsticks. One is from MAC and Sugar. So yeah, it's there. I really like this cute little holographic pouch. So yeah, this is my mini makeup kit. Not many items, but just the basic ones that I need, which I can switch whenever I want to. Next that I have is a fresh mint. This one is the quick mint burst, and these are like those melted sort of a strip. So you basically put it on your tongue and it'll melt. So useful. I got them from Amazon for like a pack of 10, and they are very good, much better than those mouth sprays. Then I've got a few medicines. Again, of course you need them, so I've got a couple of them. So to start off with, this one is your basic cough and cold fever medicine. Then I've got a pain relief one, like a painkiller, and this one is to not get periods if there's an occasion, again prescribed by doctor. So yeah, that's there. Now lastly, what I have are these two wet tissue capsules. Basically, you put them in the running water. Now I used to carry the intimate hygiene wipes from Sirona, but I am running out of them, so I've placed an order. They'll take some time to come. So yeah, you can keep those wet wipes or intimate wipes as well. Very useful. So this was my emergency kit, guys. Now a few items might not be suitable for you. Few items you might have to add on as per your need. This was mine. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.